passive income with cryptocurrencies. In the current crypto market, there are so many opportunities to make passive income, either through staking or playing in the DeFi space. It often becomes overwhelming, all these opportunities. So in this video, we're just going to look at a tiny aspect of that, and we're going to break down 3 ways to stake Binance coin. Good morning, everybody. Now, before we talk about staking Binance coin, it's important to know how good Binance coin is. Is it a coin that we are happy to hold in our portfolio? Is it a coin that we want to stake? Because there's so many coins where you can get 50, 100, 200, even sometimes thousands of percentage annual return. So when you look at a coin like Binance coin, the percentages are a lot lower. Now, some of these high percentage yielding coins are really not very good because they don't have many value. Remember, if you're getting 50% per annum and your coin drops by 50%, you've lost a full year's worth of staking. And if that coin continues to drop, not only does the coin drop, but the value of your stake or earned rewards also drops. And if that drops a further 50%, you could end up chasing your tail and never making any money. That's why I always look at coins of substance, very good coins that when I stake them, I know that I'm going to make a good return, not only on the staked or the earned rewards, but also on the appreciation of the coin. Now, looking at Binance coin, we can see that it's number 3 on CoinMarketCap. You might be saying it's 4, but Tether's there. So literally, we have Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency in the world, followed by Ethereum, and then we have Binance coin. So certainly a coin that I'm very bullish of, a coin that I believe has got legs and it is going to be in this crypto space for a long time. It's a coin that I would be happy to hold anyway. Very bullish on this coin. So if I'm going to hold it anyway, as I've said many times, there's no point in holding a cryptocurrency if it is not earning you a passive income. The days of static, dead cryptocurrencies that just sit there and don't earn you interest are gone. We not only look for the appreciation of the coin, but we also look for interest or monthly, daily returns, whatever the case might be. So now, with these 3 ways of staking, I'm going to start with the easiest, the simplest, and many argue the most profitable way to stake Binance coin, and that is centralized staking on Altcoin Trader. If we go to Altcoin Trader, this is a place where we can buy Binance coin, makes it easy. And if we go to Easy Save, we will be able to stake Binance coin here. Now, something to be noted about Easy Save is there are no fees, no lock-in periods, and you have full control of your crypto at any stage. So if we go down to Binance coin, in this wallet, I've actually got some coins staked, and you can see that it's earning interest at a rate of 10.3% per year. Now, that is a very good rate. It's a very stable rate, and it is absolutely easy to use this platform. You simply click on Add Funds, Claim Rewards, Claim and Exit, whatever you need to do, and a couple of clicks of the mouse, and you're earning passive income on your cryptocurrencies. You can withdraw it at any time and have access to your funds. This is certainly, in my mind, the easiest way to stake Binance coin and earn yourself 10.3% passive income for doing absolutely nothing. Now we're going to move on to the second staking platform that I like, that I think is very good, and it's an absolute win for the Binance ecosystem, and that is Venus. So you can go to venus.io. I will leave a link in the description below to all of these sites that I talk about. You just click on Launch App and it will open the Venus dashboard. Now, here the percentages, and it's once again, all of these percentages are annual percentages. If you go to the dashboard and we look at the supply market, we can see that by staking our Binance coin, we can get a whopping 33% for just simply staking Binance coin. And this is a very easy way to stake. There's no fees. There's, of course, there's the fees that the Binance Smart Chain would charge for staking the coin, but they are extremely low, it's extremely fast, and you can access and withdraw your coins at any time. A very nice platform. One thing I'd like to mention, this percentage, it does fluctuate greatly. So today it's a good day, we're looking at 33%. As soon as tomorrow, we could see that percentage drop to as low as 1 or 2%. And the next day, it could be up in the 50%. I've actually seen it as high as 59%. So it's not a very steady way to earn income, because if it drops to 1% and it stays at 1% for a month or 2 months, you don't get a stable return, and your passive income fluctuates all the time, and it's difficult to calculate or to organize yourself around what you are expecting to earn. But it certainly is a platform that I enjoy, super easy to use. You can stake your Binance coin. There's actually a lot of DeFi options available on this platform. You could take loans, but they've temporarily put a hold on loaning Vi. That's something for another video, but that is a stable coin. So you can't loan it anymore, but you can loan a lot of other coins. But that's moving off the task. If you're wanting to just simply stake your BNB, Venus.io, go to the app, stake it here, earn rewards. It's a very nice platform to use. Trusted platform, been around for a long time. Of course, with platforms like this, they are smart contracts, and there can be an exploit or a hack at any stage. So this is not without risk. Then we're going to talk about native staking. And this is third staking of Binance Coin. It would be my second favorite way of staking other than altcoin trader, because you actually supporting the network with the proof of stake, and you are earning, in my opinion, what is a very stable return. And of course, a huge advantage to this is you have full custody of your coins, unlike using a centralized exchange. So if you want to stake coins on natively with Binance Smart Chain, you need to download the Binance wallet. It'll look like this. Now, there's two chains that we need to be aware of here. And one is the if we have a look here, we've got the Binance Chain Network, which is the native Binance chain. And then, of course, the Binance Smart Chain Network, which works on it's very similar to Ethereum. You can use it in MetaMask and so on. So if we're going to go and stake here, we would open this wallet, load the wallet with BNB coins. So you can withdraw these coins either to the address that looks like an Ethereum address, or you can withdraw them straight to the Binance chain. It doesn't really matter when staking, because when you stake, the wallet will convert it to the native Binance chain. And although you'll have two different addresses, it works with the same private key or the same 12 words. So of course you have full custody. But that might be getting a little bit too complicated for this video. If you go through the process, it is super easy to use and you won't have any problems doing it. But you would just click here and you would open staking. Now, this will load a page where you will be able to see the delegators. So now we can look at the annual percentage return, and we can see that we're getting 10, 9. The average is about 9%. As you go down, you can see the different percentages. You would need to choose a delegator and stake your crypto with it. You would just simply delegate, the wallet would pop up. As you can see, it's going to move it cross-chain from that address, which is the address in the wallet, address which I own, to this address, which is the same address on a different chain. In other words, using the same private key. So you could stake here. Now, there's a couple of things you need to bear in mind here. If you want to unstake your coin, you have to wait a period of 7 days. So you don't have the ability to simply unstake your coins. In addition to that, once you stake your coins, you will only see your rewards in 3 to 4 days. I normally find that it takes 3 days, but you see the rewards are paid out once a day, and you can go over to My Staking, and then you can click on your rewards, and you'll see your rewards coming in every day after the 3 days has expired. This, in my opinion, is a very stable way, a very safe platform or site to use because it is the native Binance Smart Chain, and or at least the Binance chain. And earning your rewards with the assurity that you have full access to your coins at all times and you are in fact the only custodian of your BNB is very reassuring in many ways. So having said that, we've gone over the 3 ways very briefly of how to stake BNB. If you guys would like a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do it, that is something that I could consider making. But I think once you got the content, if you just try going through the general guidelines that I've given you in this video, you'll see that it's really easy to use. You need to understand how MetaMask works. You need to understand how the Binance wallet works. With Altcoin Trader, of course, it's very simple. You don't need to understand how any of these wallets work. You don't need to have custody of your own coins. You leave all the responsibility with Altcoin Trader, and we make sure that your coins are safe and secure, and we give you the interest, no lock-in periods, easily paid out, and you can see your interest as you earn it. Every couple of hours, if you log in, you'll see you've earned more interest. Guys, I hope you find this type of content interesting. I hope you are looking at DeFi. I hope you are looking at staking. I hope you're looking at passive income, because these opportunities are opportunities that are able to assist you in making life-changing money. It's very easy to stake. If you apply yourself, if you look at it, you should be taking advantage of the staking that is available right now. Remember, cryptocurrencies are no longer dead coins. Just looking at Altcoin Trader, all of these coins, you can earn all of this interest by simply staking. Couple of clicks, super easy to do. Anyone can do it. I'd ask you guys to smash the like button so that we can get these videos out to as many people as possible to help the crypto ecosystem bloom and blossom and grow. I'd also ask you to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos in the future. That's it from me. I'm out.